Good afternoon, and thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today. My name is Stuart Black, and I'm a supervising engineering geologist in your Sacramento office. I'm also your site cleanup program manager. I'm here today to provide you with a very quick overview of the site cleanup program and a summary of our key accomplishments over the last year. The site cleanup program regulates the investigation and cleanup of contaminated sites that are polluting surface and groundwater in our region. In Region 5, we currently have 28 technical and administrative staff overseeing investigation and cleanup actions at over 1,632 sites. These sites include facilities like the one behind me, which is a downtown Sacramento rail yard and is considered to be one of the largest brownfield cleanup projects in the western United States. They also include large military base cleanups like this waste containment facility at McClellan Air Force Base, oil refinery remediations like this soil vapor extraction system at a Shell facility near Bakersfield, which, by the way, removed over 1 million pounds of contamination just in the last year, and at factories like this groundwater treatment facility at Aerojet. We also regulate cleanup at smaller facilities like this groundwater treatment system at a dry cleaning site in Stockton, at plating facilities like this site on the R Street corridor, at pesticide and fertilizer distribution facilities like this sulfur distribution facility in Stockton, and at many other locations throughout the region. In addition to our typical site cleanup responsibilities, we also provide emergency response support at sites like this recovery operation in the Delta and at this tank explosion at 4K Farms in Ripon. The types of pollution encountered at these sites are diverse and include solvents, fuels, heavy metals, pesticides, fertilizers, perchlorate, radiological materials, and many other compounds. These contaminants are very difficult to remediate, but we're making great progress towards our goal. In the fiscal year 2015-2016, cleanup program staff closed over 100 sites and moved 90 cases from the investigation phase to active remediation. To reach these goals, cleanup program technical, administrative, and management staff worked with responsible parties, stakeholders, and the board to prepare a number of highly technical investigation and design documents, and to complete construction and remediation activities like the work you see here, which was a joint effort by CalRecycle, the City of Red Bluff, and our Reading technical staff to consolidate and cap contamination at the old Red Bluff burn dump. In addition to our site-specific goals, staff will focus on identification of new or previously unidentified contaminant sources in our region. To do this, we will utilize the Gamma and GeoTracker databases to develop GIS maps like the source identification map that we just completed for Merced County for 1,2,3-TCP trichloropropane. Cleanup program staff will use this tool and many others to continue our work on emerging contaminants. This year, we will focus on hexavalent chrome, perfluorinated chemicals, and TCP. Staff will also continue to work with our stakeholders to complete cleanup projects at brownfield sites so that impacted properties can be put back into safe and productive use for our communities. We will also continue our efforts to identify and track environmental measures like pounds of contamination removed. As you can see, our primary focus will continue to be the protection of water quality and to identify and remediate the impact of toxic sites in our region so that families can live and play in their community without fear of exposure to legacy chemicals that could impact their health. Thank you.